I posted my first YouTube video a few days ago and it didn't go as I expected. I just got 19 views, 0.2 watch time with no subscribers. So let's talk about some of the common mistakes new YouTubers like me are making and how to avoid them. One of the common mistakes that I notice in small channels is not choosing a niche. Small YouTubers often create content on a variety of topics, which can be confusing for their audience and the YouTube algorithm. Pick a niche that you are passionate about or interested in. For me, it's finance, for the reason that I want to develop new skills and it also has the potential to make money. So choosing a niche helps you establish an audience, and is important to ensure that you are attracting an engaged and consistent audience. Not spending enough time on optimizing your videos is probably the biggest mistake by far. By spending more time optimizing your videos, wait, not just more, I mean twice the time you're spending on a regular video. You make it easier for potential viewers to find your content and click on your video. Optimize your thumbnails, titles, even descriptions to improve your video's visibility in search results. Also, custom thumbnails can help your video stand out from the crowd and increase its appeal to new viewers. And now I'm about to show you two different thumbnails and tell me which one is more likely to go viral. You're right, it's the first one because it grabbed your attention and spiked your curiosity to find out more and it's easy to understand. Now imagine your video is optimized and people clicked on your thumbnail, but they didn't directly find the purpose of the video. It means you're wasting so much time in your intro and not getting to the point. Especially in the first 30 seconds of the video, you don't have to say to people to subscribe or like the video because there are people that don't know you and don't care about you. By the way, subscribe and drop a comment. And if the viewer didn't complete the first 30 seconds of the video, it doesn't count as a view. So make it short and not boring. And this is what we call a poor content planning. New YouTubers often fail to plan their content properly, resulting in videos that lack structure or a clear purpose. So it is important to plan your videos in advance, including a script or outline. And start with your business goals in mind to ensure a focused and engaging final product that matches the thumbnail and the title. And if you get stuck or you run out of ideas, I recommend you to use ChatGPT. It is helpful and it will solve your problems. Overlooking quality is another familiar mistake made by small channels. Besides that, YouTube quality matters and it can make a big difference in how viewers perceive your channel. And new YouTubers sometimes prioritize quantity over quality. Poor lighting, low resolution video, and especially bad audio can turn viewers away no matter how amazing the picture quality is. Therefore, it is essential to invest in good equipment and take your time to make a great first impression. Now we move on to the main reasons that's stopping you from getting more views. Some creators may feel that they deserve immediate success on YouTube, leading to a lack of motivation when they don't see the results they expected. So they don't upload consistently. Consistency is important on YouTube. And I don't mean consistency by uploading a video every day. Because that's not gonna add anything new to your channel when you rush on making your video. And for me to produce a decent video, I have to upload once a week. So it is crucial to prioritize quality over quantity. And that's what makes the difference. So take your time. Recently, I observed that many new YouTubers fail to interact with their viewers. And that's totally wrong. If you wanna make a loyal audience, you have to engage with them through comments, likes, and shares. And that's a part of the success. Moreover, stop trying to replicate the success of popular YouTubers, because it rarely works. Audiences are drawn to uniqueness and originality. So find your own niche, bring your personal voice to your content, and just be yourself. And the last mistake most people make is giving up too soon. And what I wanna say is it takes time to build a successful channel. You're not gonna blow up from your first video or the second video, neither the third, in most of the cases. So don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. You have to stay committed, keep producing, and good luck.